Hello guys, my name is Rafael and today I'm gonna teach you how to create your own liquidity pool in under 3 minutes. This is the easiest way there is on the market. All you need is your desired token. If you don't have one, there is some links here below with solutions with our tools that will help you easily create your token, and is the cheapest way to in the market to create your own token. So click on the link below if you don't have your token. So you need your desired token, you need some Solanas because you're gonna add the pair, you're gonna add the liquidity to the pool, so you need Solanas and you need your token, okay? The other two things that you also need to make this happen is a Telegram account and a Phantom wallet. That's all. So let's start. You're gonna click on the first link below. This is gonna redirect you to our solution, to our tool. You're gonna start our tool. If you don't have this button here, you can just type /start, and the first thing you receive is your wallet. This is the wallet you're gonna use to create your token. This wallet is connected to your Telegram account, so every time you use one of our solutions or you want to create other liquidity pools, you're gonna show this same wallet. Okay, so you need to found this wallet with 0.3 Solanas at least, just to pay the transaction fees. So it's 0.2 Solanas to the liquidity pools that you need to pay, and 0.1 Solanas for our service. And also you need to add some more Solanas, your desired amount, to add to the liquidity pool. Okay, so I already did this. I already found this wallet and I'm gonna proceed with this tutorial. The first thing you need to add is your contract address, the contract address of your token. Okay, so I added here. You're gonna add the amount of Solanas you want to add to your liquidity pool. So in this case, I chose 0.01 just for example. The amount of your token you want to add to the liquidity pool, and now it's saved and it's proceeding with the payment. And just wait a little bit, and now our payment was successful and the liquidity pool is being created. So after this, you're gonna receive the message with your code, with the transaction code that you can check on SourceScan, that your liquidity pool was successfully created. Okay, so let's wait just a bit. Here we have your code, you can check here on SourceScan. So now if you go to Raydium, you're gonna see that our pool is created. It's